now, how many of you like the cats? Do you like cats? This is the first question. Do you have a pet cat? So it means, if you have, it means you like cats. So what do you, how many of you like the cats? No. Yes. Okay. Only two answers. What about others? Okay. Okay. Anve also likes. So you like but you don't have. Okay. Okay. You like both dogs. Okay. You like dogs, not cats. Right. Correct. So yes, maybe some of you like cats and some of you they don't like cats. Right. It is like if they are far, then I also like them. They are cute, but I don't want them as a pet, right? So the question is, do you have a pet cat? Mostly we have dogs, right? We don't have cats, but yes, I think this trend is in many foreign countries where they keep cats as their pets, right? So yes, somewhere in some country, maybe people have pet cats, but here in India, we usually avoid. So have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it if you have cat? So now you don't have cat, so definitely you haven't noticed anything mysterious about that cat. But yes, there are cats all around. हम देख सकते हैं ऐसे इधर उधर आती जाती. So have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? Okay, okay, Avni, but yes, वहाँ पे हम रहते हैं वहाँ पे cats आती जाती हैं. They can come anywhere. They are like, they are very, if you have noticed properly, they are quite attentive. Yes, they are strange, they are weird, they are very attentive. मतलब हल्की सी आवाज and they just run from that place, or they just hide themselves. So they are quite attentive. Fast also. Okay, they are fast also. So it is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but the McCavity is one for sure. So we are going to read about this cat, especially this cat McCavity, and that cat is a mystery, kind of mystery, and we are going to read about that cat. What is it that makes him? The poet has used the pronoun him for the cat. Okay, so given the human attributes to cat. Okay, so what is that makes him a perfect mystery cat? So let's start the poem. It is a kind of humorous poem. Through this humorous poem, the poet has tried to uh, throw some light on the mentality of criminals, okay, and how they disturb and how they actually disturb and distract police, right? How they are problematic for police, okay, law. So let's start. Page number 50, McCavity. Who will read? First, I want you to read, recite this poem. Who can do that? Yashika. Okay, Yashika, let's start. Unmute and start.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, McCavity's mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw.
Wait, Yashika, read in rhythm. Okay, McCavity is the mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. McCavity's is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the befuddlement of Scotland Yard. The flying squads dissipate. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. McCavity. There's no one like McCavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare, and when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air, But I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. McCavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes and his brown is deeply lined without thought. His head is highly dominant.
Next page.
His coat, yes, ma'am. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he's half asleep, he always wide awake. McCavity, there's no one like McCavity, for he's a fine line shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in by street, you may see him in the square, but the crimes discovered the McCavity is not there.
Okay, good. So now, as we have read this poem once, now I just want you to find out about McCavity. Means before I start explaining, I just want you to tell me the qualities of McCavity. What kind of cat McCavity is from this description. And Bani, just read it once more, read it again, and side by side keep on writing the qualities that you can find.
McCavity.
His physical appearance or anything else that is mentioned in the poem. Yes, Yeshika, correct. So let's read once again and then start.
McCavity is a mystery cat. He set the hidden paw. For her, the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. McCavity, there, no one like McCavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His power of levitation would make a flacker stare, and when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. You may see him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. McCavity, a ginger cat, he were to- he is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him. His eyes are shrunken in, his brows is deeply lined with thoughts, his head is highly domed, his coat is dusty from neglect, his wrinkles are uncombed, his sways his hand from side to side with movements like a snail, and when you think he is half asleep, he always wide awake. McCavity, there no one like McCavity, for he is a fine in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square. But when a criminal discovered, then McCavity is not there.
Okay, now tell. Start. What kind of cat McCavity is? What kind of cat McCavity is? Okay, Yashika has given one point, that is powerful criminal. Any other? Yes, you have read the poem. Okay, ginger cat. Okay, ginger cat. Anything else? His physical appearance is mentioned. Be quick, bache. Okay, ginger cat, tall and thin. Yes, tall and thin. Ginger cat, tall and thin. Then, okay, he does the crime and then not present there, what would you say? Very clever also? Clever? This ginger cat is very clever. And then brown eyes. Yes. Okay, that is a criminal. Great law, right? Criminal mentality. Okay, when we think he is asleep, he is not. He is always wide awake. Master criminal breaks law made by humans, right? He is tall and thin, eyes are sunken, right? And his head is domed, his whiskers are not formed, very clever and never caught. So this is in general about McCavity. Okay, so what do you think? What kind of cat this McCavity is? A normal cat? Is he a normal cat? No, definitely not. He is not at all a normal cat. We haven't seen, yes, kind of dangerous cat, mystery cat, right? There is some kind of mystery because nobody is able to catch him. Got it? So now we are going to discuss the poem again. So keep your pencils ready and keep on writing the meaning. McCavity, a mystery cat. So beginning, with the beginning, the poet, who is the poet? The poet is T.S. Eliot. Okay. So in the beginning only, the poet has given the, you can say, one proper quality of that cat, that McCavity is the mystery cat. And he is called the hidden paw. Why hidden paw? Because he never leaves any footprints behind or on that scene where the crime has happened. So the cat is a mystery cat, and this cat, he is called the hidden paw because whatever the cat does, he does in total, you can say, secrecy. It is totally secret. Nobody was able to get any clue. Okay, so hidden paw. Got it? For he is a master criminal who can, just a second, bache. Wait. So now that cat, mystery cat, does everything in secrecy. Okay. Now what happened? For he is the master criminal. Okay, he is the master criminal. The poet has used the, you can say, special adjective for this cat, that he is the master criminal who can defy the law, right? Disobey the law. He has the powers to disobey the law. Okay, and then he is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. The flying square disappear means he is a kind of pain. Okay, kind of pain for the police also. See how badha chadha ke the poet has said, exaggerated. Okay, what the poet has done, exaggeration. Okay, he has exaggerated everything, that the cat is master criminal, disobeys the law, and then he is a kind of pain for the police also. Okay, Scotland Yard, they have already given the meaning, the headquarters of the London police force. In, just imagine. And the flying squads means it is a group of police or soldiers ready to move into action quickly. So this cat is a pain for them also. They are not able to handle that cat. Okay, so now what happens? Avni, you can write confused. Means the cat is a kind of, they are confused because they are not able to catch the cat. Okay. Now what happened? For when they reach, why that cat is a pain for them? Because when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. We have already read that McCavity, we have read that hidden paw. Hidden paw does everything in secrecy, right? So because of this feature, because of this feature, whenever means you are not able to find that criminal from that place, okay, जहां पे भी वो crime scene हुआ है. Now what happens that because of this reason they are police force and soldiers, they are not able to catch the cat, and that cat is a pain for them, okay, pain in their head. The cat is a kind of pain for them. I hope you must have heard about such kind of gangsters, dons. Can you give me an example? जिसको पुलिस पकड़ नहीं पा रही, and that person, that gangster or whosoever, that criminal is a pain in somebody's, that police or government's mind head. Can you give me the example if you know? Anyone? Have you ever heard about such kind of criminal, or this is the first time? Yes, the person who is underground. Can you name? Can you give me the name? The criminal that is Spain. Okay, he is dead in encounter. What is the name, Yashika? Just tell me the name. Nobody has heard. So it means McCavity, this cat, you have heard. Okay, then Bani, just tell. Vikas Dubey, okay. Daud, right? Right. They are not able to, police, they are not able to catch them. Okay. So Laden also, when he wasn't caught, that time also he was also the pain in the head. Okay, he was problematic. Now what happens? McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. Now this is not in a positive sense, matlab ki not in a good sense, but the poet is saying that there is no one like McCavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. So the cat doesn't only, that the cat has not only broken the human laws, the laws made by us, but also the law of gravity. What is the law of gravity? Law of gravity. Anyone? I don't want you to explain everything, just the simple law of gravity. What is it? To pull towards the earth, right? हवा में नहीं उड़ते रहते हम. Okay? So now he has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir's chair. Now, levitation, they have given the meaning floating in the air without support, right? Without support, floating in the air. So he has also broken the law of gravity, means the cat has some mysterious powers of flying in the air without any support, okay, without any parachute, without any plane or anything. The cat has the power to fly in the air also. The cat is very strong, powerful, some mysterious power is there, okay. And this would make a fakir's chair. Fakir, you know, you can say saints and all, those who have special powers, and with their powers they can fly. So fakirs have powers, saints have powers, that is why they can fly. But this cat, mysterious cat, doesn't have any such kind of power, but still some mystery is there that the cat has also broken the law of gravity and can easily fly in the air. I hope, just imagine the superheroes when they are shown, वो बड़ी बड़ी buildings से they jump and it is kind of they are flying, उन्हें चोट भी नहीं लगती, they just jump and then they are fine, they are all right, right, without any problem, without any injury. So same way the cat, but the cat is criminal, not a superhero. Okay. Next is again And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. So this is the repetition. The poet is repeating to stress this line, to put emphasis on this line, that the cat is very clever, plans everything very properly, okay, does everything secretly, and then never police is not able to catch that cat. McCavity is a ginger cat. Now this is the description of the cat, how the cat looks. Okay. So the McCavity is a ginger cat. Ginger cat, it is about the color. Color of the cat. Color is brown, yellow and red mixed color. Something brownish, yellowish and reddish. Okay. This type of color. A kind of जो ginger का color होता है, that type of color. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Lower, मतलब अंदर घुसी हुई हैं उसकी eyes, ठीक है? Then his brows is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. Now the eyebrows, उसके eyebrows की shape ऐसी है, means his brows is deeply lined with thought. It always looks like that the cat is planning something criminal, means some maybe his next crime. So this line, these lines, that his eyes are sunken in, shows deep thought, and then his brows is deeply lined with thought. Again, this shows that the cat is planning something. Okay, cat is continuously planning something. His mind is never free. He keeps on planning other crimes, or maybe his next crime. So the cat is very clever also and plans everything. Okay, Punya, the meaning is given, that is floating in the air without support. Next is his coat is dusty from neglect, means the cat is only focused on the crime, never pays any attention to his dress up. Okay, nothing to do with his dress up and or how he looks. So his coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers जो hair, the hair जो छोटी छोटी सी ये बड़ी बड़ी सी यहाँ पे मूछें होती है ना cat के, so that those are called whiskers here. So his whiskers are uncombed, means again avoids the looks. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. Movement like a snake and swaying of head from side to side. Can you tell what does this show? When we do this, when we sway our move that head from side to side, do you do this or not? When you sway your head from side to side. Anyone? Just a guess. Be quick. Yes, when we cross road. Correct, Paramjeet. When we cross road. Or when we are doing something wrong. That time also, हम नजर रखने के लिए किसको कहते हैं ना? That time we just keep on doing like this. Right? Yes, when we move silently. This shows that we are attentive that time. We are attentive. We are working with proper caution because we want to see what is happening. Okay. So the cat sways his head from side to side. This shows that the cat is very attentive. Okay. With movements like a snake, and his movements are very swift, very fast. The movements of the cat are very fast, moves like a snake. McCavity, McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. And then, for he is a find in felon shape, a monster of depravity. Depravity, moral corruption, means McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. And then this cat is just not a cat, but a devil, but a monster in the shape of a cat. Okay, the poet is saying that the cat, it is not just a cat, he is basically a monster in the shape of cat. Okay, and then monster of depravity, monster of corruption, okay, moral corruption, because this cat has no values. Okay, and as the cat disobeys police also, broken every law and commits crime, so that is why the poet is calling this cat a monster of depravity. You may meet him in by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. So you can, maybe you will cross this cat, you will see the cat 100 times, or maybe you will talk to that cat also. But when the crime happens, when the police, they reach to that place, but that time, McCavity is not there. After committing the crime, the cat leaves the place, and that too without any clues. So this is about the poem, about this cat. Okay. The square means market. Okay. Marketplace. I think, if I'm not wrong, धूम मूवीज, द पार्ट्स ऑफ द सीक्वल्स एंड ऑल इन धूम मूवीज, उसमें भी ऐसे ही था. द विलेंस जो कि हीरोज थे, दे यूज टू कमिट क्राइम एंड देन दे leave the place, right? So the police was not able to catch them. So same way McCavity depicts every criminal. Okay, the Anmol, that is the shape of his head, that his brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed. This is the shape of his head. Bada sa sir, body thin, and he is tall, but his head is very big. Okay, the head is very big. ये मैंने बता दिया. Just a second, बच्चे, wait. So is it clear? Any doubt? Any confusion? See how clever this cat is. But you shouldn't be like this cat, okay? That is why the poet has written. It is not to motivate you to be the criminals, okay? Now the question answers you need to do yourself, and we will discuss the question answers tomorrow, as the time is almost over. But let's do this. Question number 5, true or false? McCavity is not an ordinary cat. True or false? McCavity is not an ordinary cat. True or false? True. It is true. McCavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. McCavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. False. McCavity can easily fly in the air, right? McCavity has supernatural powers. McCavity has supernatural powers. What do you think? True or false? True. Okay. McCavity is well dressed, smart, and bright. Not at all well dressed, right? He is not at all well dressed. False. McCavity is a spy, trickster, and a criminal, all rolled in one. This is the actual description of this cat. So this is true. Okay. And no need to do this in your fair notebook. Got it? Okay, then time is over. And the students of Kalidas house, get ready. The activity is there. All the students of Kalidas house, the activity of Independence Day means we have to celebrate Independence Day. So get ready for that. Prabal, highly domed means very big. Bada sa head hai uska, according to his body. Okay. Okay then. Take care. Bye.